na God the win, no. Anything I do, na God the win, no, na God the win, no, na God the win, no. I don't change my name to God the win. I no more, I don't buy more to God the win. They say my market no go sell, but God the win. And then me say I no go blue, but God the win. Them my brother, make them try their luck. My God go win, no, my God go win, no, my Lord go win, no. Anything I do, na God the win, no, na God the win, no, na God the win, no. As you don't pass exam, na God the win. And then me say you no go pass, for God the win. You wake up, see today last song, na God the win. Robbers they rob, they don't see you, brother. They don't see you, my sister. Oh yeah, better fast. God the win, no, na God the win, no, na God the win. Anything I do, na God the win, no, na God the win, no, na God the win.
As you don't come today, na
God the win.
Listen. As you dey watch BOBOS here, na
God the win.
I want to you.
And then you say you no go watch,
But God the win. Listen, your girlfriend parking leave your house. God the win. Tell them.
You no get money to buy rice. God the win.
Listen, and you can't say as you marry, God the win. Shakara no get girlfriend, God the win. Okay, he don't find girlfriend, God the win. Last question. Now when Shakara go marry, God no go win.
One of the ladies boy drink. I am moving the motion.
Anything
I am moving.
Yes.
In fact, this boy,
We don't know as we don't for here. We don't come again. We don't show. We don't chill. This one are the show episode. They are the things. We involve us. You there, me, you. And I know me when I want an only man who go Matthews. And I know they here again. Yes, your husband, your houseboy, your lover. Joe. Yes,
Where that song did now?
Yes, I bet. But I know Joe.
Kini, Joe. Who's in that song, sir?
Is he
I just know that song. Jobless, bro. Okay.
I know my criminals, Chakra.
Oh boy,
Chakra.
And then go within the harpoon.
Chakra, have fun now. You look like you did for a very high spirit this afternoon. I've been at night.
You know why? Because you need to, the way the country did now, you need to do on the high spirit to meet up. Because the way they I know I'll come tomorrow. No, you guys. So meanwhile, I
no fuel now.
When I come, look, I see Jonah. They enter. President Jonah. They enter that Air Force base with the VI.
Okay.
Oh, you will see him?
Yes, now.
I see Buhari now.
That Bonny campsite.
What is it down to?
Now me, Buhari just drive close to me. Now I go answer. I don't want that. I go see. I see the way the thing did.
They talk something serious. You just carry your.
So are they joke now?
It talk something serious.
I saw the convoy. I saw Jonathan.
I tell you.
Jonathan, me and Jonathan we did together last night for Abuja.
Wait.
Wait till you want to ask us for today, I beg.
Things don't they happen these days. When I remember last week we come this bar, we see one man like that, one corner like we ring, go they rob one girl. And I know saying all of us just did there.
What do you mean by rob? That's they steal the person.
I go steal.
Okay.
The torsion.
The other torsion.
Oh, torsion.
Touching. The girl or no? The girl now me.
Twice. The girl that's 16 years old.
16 maybe.
The
girl is close to like 23, 24.
I go there be like
make
this.
Me, you know, I can't imagine this is that guy now. So, in wife go there house.
No, they on that bridge.
In wife go there house. You know understand? I beg marriage. It they make man they faithful. Because I don't wonder a lot of married men they cheat on their wives regularly, daily, every night and day. So they come in here and say because they talk say marriage. If you are married, you will be satisfied. The drinking level will be on point. Everything will be on point. So
one thing they say we have to look at the ratio of the men that cheat while in marriage and the ratio of the ones that don't cheat. I think like 80% don't cheat.
Of what?
Men that are married, 80% don't cheat. Yeah, you know, from where I'm from. Where are you from? Togo. No. I live in Surulere, yeah.
Area of cheaters.
Surulere is like a very small village, and everybody know everybody, so it's very difficult for you to cheat. Sorry, I'm speaking too much English.
Sorry, I want to counter you.
Wait, how you take expect say man wey dey live for Surulere go cheat within Surulere?
I want to even counter you.
And even some men dey that same Surulere wey say they go cheat within that Surulere, you know, go catch them.
Let me counter you because when I get one place for Surulere where they call, we actually cheat until they name one place where they call cheater. Excuse me. When I cheating level high until they did name a place.
But really, reason why I bring up this matter because I don't look right front center. I don't reach because so many marriages where I don't hear God, if like this thing a really bad thing, God forbid. Though I guess so many marriages don't break up. You get, and I only pray for that kind of thing. I don't really like them. So I say marriage break up, but 99% of those marriages, reasons why it break up, not cheating, infidelity.
No, I will not agree with
adultery.
you.
I'm telling you,
because Nigerian women don't. Nigerian women are so used to cheating now that cheating no be problem for marriage again.
Oh yes, so because
except you go do some other things.
Yes.
High.
Like
I know the kind of girls where
for example, let me tell you, for example, one woman, she go team with somebody else outside to dupe her husband. You understand? Those kind of things now they break marriage now.
Yes.
Those kind
Shakara
things. But say, the content say, Mama Philo, we see her husband, no, we see her for where he did with one small girl. Now she give cause you.
No, Ogo. I like Shakara way because I know say okay, yes, this is an experienced cheater talking, so he understands what I'm talking about.
I talk generally.
No,
I talk generally because I've traveled far. I'm wide range.
I mean someone that lives in Cheetah around
every day that anything I say
is not out of.
It's because I'm wide read. You understand?
Are you kidding me?
Yes.
You are well read.
I hear you.
Let me now. You see, majority of when you say they say people they cheat and cheat. Women now agree with you. Don't they use to say
the cheating thing? You
meet most girls now. They'll tell you say look. We know say all men go cheat. So but waiting they won't be say man we go come we know say when he dey with him, he come on with him or he come back house, he give him in place. The world know say na her be number one. Those girls, I like those kind of girls. Where their mind don't go that way. Now we cannot really tell if most married men they stay faithful because I don't talk most times for weddings. When I tell them, I say, well, you know where they do the cut of the cake. I say, anybody that is faithfully. Anybody that is has married here, faithfully married for the past 30 years, raise your hand. All the men, they drop. Why would they? Raise your hand now. No, the man go, I say, sorry, I removed the word faithfully. If you have been married here for 30 years, now you can't see how men go to get up. It's hard, we know. Now, do you say, person we don't play well before you marry, he go make good, faithful husband? Yes, but not. It's also yes and no. Because someday when we say the thing don't enter their blood.
But see, I won't let you understand something.
Like say, Shoma don't twist the question.
No, I never twist them.
I believe say the question be say whether
marriage they make
faithful. If they make see, compared to a single guy, I will not lie to you. Yes.
It reduce
promiscuity and obvious. It reduce them.
It reduce the level of the atrocity.
It reduce the level of promiscuity.
And meanwhile,
you know why? Because for instance now, when you come back, I will explain this thing.
Talk. This matter not be only for men. Them we go also talk enter the women the level. When they come back, now see BOBOS here, not go anywhere.
Yeah, of course.
No, I don't think so. No be marriage.
No, marriage don't help you be faithful. Now the character of the person.
The man has to be faithful to the wife has to be faithful to the husband. That's the essence of marriage.
If the person not they faithful, marriage don't help them. Because you the married person would already get in habits and character. The person already they formed.
If you know they're faithful, you know they're faithful.
And one of those things where they make person they unfaithful, like when strong congee can't you. Of course, girl mind say your wife their house, especially for cold weather, you just hold body till you reach house, do what you want to do, then body come back to normal.
Nah, hard thing, you understand? I mean, the person where you be. If you have that thing in you, you have it. So it's not about marriage.
You need to marry the container really, like the content waiting the inside the person that you marry. So if the person not they faithful, before marriage, you know, if they faithful after marriage, and they bring every baggage and everything come into the marriage.
The thing about marriage is that when you get married, you understand, before you know, once your woman don't get belly, at first you go happy or you go thank God, but after like 3-4 months, you go want, you know, say some of the women when they are pregnant, they go want, they will have less work to do, you understand? And maybe the man now like get urge for the thing now, and the woman if you give am that period, you go to find am outside. I get friends we don't. I mean my too. I know myself definitely. If I when I want to get married, if my woman get belly, me I go day 9 months without any. If she want, I give her. If she no want, no wahala. And my woman, but my friends where I don't see. Yeah, I would say it depends on one's perspective.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now still BOBOS here with Day and with the talk specific matter today. The matter with the talk.
Sorry, talk on.
That, you don't say yes with your matter. You don't say that guy.
I'm a man now.
That guy, that last guy resemble you. That last guy resemble you.
Good brother.
I just BS with the guy no get.
Okay, yes. Continue.
Yes.
Now welcome back.
Yes,
the matter we talk about today.
Yes.
Marriage, it make you dey faithful. No matter what we talk about that. But come, more we come look in the women angle.
Now the women
we get women self we be say, no matter as they love their husband rich, they see crank some kind men them.
No, I just say that men now with the attack today.
You see.
Okay, for
women,
we balance that.
for women, I don't talk before say a man no need reason to cheat because we are moved by what we see. But a woman need reason. Before you go fit cheat on him.
But I don't see one woman.
Any woman
when they cheat
before because say her husband they cheat. That woman she just
not be only cheating. Not because say you cheat.
I don't see woman.
I say you need a reason. Other reason.
I don't see woman when no get reason.
Man give you another reason. Man give you another reason.
Nigerian women I know.
Let me give you another reason.
Nigerian women I know they are faithful and they know that you cheat.
Yes, but let me give you another reason.
Anyone wey wan go dey cheat say because say you dey cheat.
No, I don't tell you say, and I say women need a reason to cheat, but men don't need reason. Men are naturally flex.
But I tell you say get women wey
if a man wey no fit, wey dey impotent. In fact, tomorrow we'll discuss this impotent. But a man wey dey impotent and he no fit the crank or you think they wait, where do they get erection?
Define am.
That's a reason.
We know
for
they
a woman, I'm telling you that you're about cheating. I'm giving you a reason why a woman will cheat.
You see this whether man is faithful after marriage. Even the women, they don't even expect most, especially in Africa, 90-something%, they don't even expect to be faithful. Again, one lady, the husband they married. No any number they call them, no any other say woman call. One day night she just get comfortable. She just say, how you go ask you fine like this, tall? You they work, see car way they drive. No girl they call you. I beg. I don't believe you. You get what you they do for back. You understand? What do you they do? I beg. Tell me today. I'll be your wife. Tell me. You know if you tell me say no girl.
No
they call
girl.
You, ask you fine like
fine
this.
guy.
See big car way they drive. No girl they call her. Well done, no Mr. When
I don't get when I get no, but let me not lie to you. That I like marriage is where the couple they very open. I be get one pastor woman, evangelist, na lady she be. We can't tell us say she be teach for university when we be in day school.
Pastor woman, say your pastor be your.
So as I was saying, better person.
Now
so,
question.
No. I beg. No, kill my story. I beg.
No carry this one. Go men of God wise place. Hey.
I don't wait. I beg. So when we dey school now, this woman say they tell us for class as she teach say no, she tell me personally, no be for class. Man, finish this now. Man, finish this now.
Let me call the man. Hello. Man of God. Please, somebody's worshiping in your temple.
That is where you know that even men of God too. See, we are all humans. She said, when she go house one day, she go hold her husband. He said, let us pray. The man just the chop. She just hold her hand, begin the Gloria, no me Gloria, send down fire through Korea, Yamaha, Kawa. You know, she pray. I say, why? She say he get one guy where she dey teach for school, where she self know say if she don't hold her husband hand pray, she don't feel something for the guy.
And the guy na shoma.
No. In all fairness, that story I dey give you. So it's a way going off because to show that even women self fit even fall. But if I'm coming back to your story,
it's good to know. Say as you near ground like this, even women of God.
They're waiting for you.
Don't be me, I swear.
Oh.
Now listen. So coming to one.
And you know why this thing they happen? You know why many women they fall for short guys? Because women too they look down on men.
Excuse me, I'm not short.
Excuse me,
I'm not short.
Wait.
If you talk past me, you are too tall. If you short past me, you are a dwarf. It's simple. I am not short.
No verse.
Excuse me.
No verse.
Can you call me short?
People not tall, they don't like that word though.
If you tell them say they're short, no problem.
That thing, you pass your father.
Excuse me. So back to the topic, Now so this man, wait for wedding, he sit down with his wife. You know, and the thing about alcohol. Now what I don't say, you see, most times it's hard for men to date faithful because even once the man don't marry, old man. We don't enter like this from 50 up. He don't drink enough for the wedding. He go pee. He come back, sit down for his seat. When his wife they next to him. Now he just turn, he look human. He said, madam, you look kind of familiar. We met before. But you know what? Let me give you my card before my wife will come back. Why? Now the wife.
True.
Right? So you see.
You see this faithfulness thing. You know, say they put one guy to test. They won't know whether in the faithful, in they like this guy. Every day they come to the house. So they call the fee say this guy now because they see people around. If they leave only him, he go rush this guy. So they won't know whether now guy will be responsible. Now one day the parents, everybody hide. Now only come, the lady get there. And she wear shotgun. She sit down. Now they call the touch, the girl, they respond. They don't know whether the guy go fall. As the guy say the babe don't respond. Now he run, go down. Me go carry condom for car. As he run, go down, now all of them come out, say, this guy. Say, this guy sexy. Say, he run, come out.
You understand?
So as he come back, they call the clap for her and say, yes, you pass.
Meanwhile, I condom, he go bring. You know the way they say, one more.
I don't
now
think
you go pay for the time.
This is your opinion. When we come back, we will continue the gist. Now, see, BOBOS, I don't go anywhere.
Oh, my.
I don't think marriage will make person dey faithful.
Yes now, they help person dey faithful.
I know sure say marriage they help person dey faithful.
Because already, if you marry already, maybe girl go dey cheat outside, husband go dey cheat outside.
Marriage is for people that is faithful to God. If you are faithful to God, you are also faithful to your marriage.
There are people that they just cannot stay without being unfaithful. Irrespective of the fact that they are married, they cannot just stay put to a particular man. They still need to, play around and fool around.
Nowadays, where we live for this our life now, it depends if you start from small. If you don't stay faithful to your mama and papa, so honestly, you go still stay faithful to your husband. So I think marriage does not help somebody to be faithful. If you are faithful when you are small, so you also take it so when you are grown.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now see BOBOS and we day and we talk the matter. And the matter is very fake. If you just join us, and you don't miss, but you never to miss.
You don't miss.
The matter we talk about today now, marriage. It help person be faithful. Now we talk about today with that. And if you don't miss any of our episodes, go on top YouTube, look for us. You will find us there and you will watch all the episodes.
That girl talks some things where I've been told that time. Say you see this in her genes. Sometimes if you don't really do some things like you be flat, you don't follow plenty women when you before you marry. Two things are involved. Either you go don't outgrow them, or you go either continue in that line. You understand? Because something matter.
So that means it's not a point.
No. What I'm saying that so it's not. You can never tell.
But
and you know why? You go say this thing. I don't care what anybody says. It be like one time when I tell you, say one of my girlfriend, they tell me, say, why I won't leave engineering and go, they do showbiz. So I say, which kind? Say, it's what I love. She said, so you mean say now if Genevieve now, come on close for you, you say you don't go for. I say, you if Jim, I come on close for you, you don't go for. And I will take end the matter. This, at the time one time I want to say, well, you know those days.
You and that your girlfriend.
Excuse me, now back in the days. Do you know that those days, when they won't employ army men, so they go carry them, enter inside one room like this. Enter one empty room, ladies good day. naked. The man, the way they enter too, go dey naked. Army man, oh, if the man enter, maybe after like 2-3 minutes, he just stand. Only women are there. They watch him from camera. They can say, go out. So then they enter, so they send them to go out. Oh. Only one man will enter. The man just enter from the door. He see the girl. Now he just stand straight. They just announce, your staff of office is working. You are fast. So this thing is not, you don't blame, I don't blame men.
But the thing for me, forget, more we even face facts. More face facts. It's wrong to cheat.
We are not saying it's not, we are not saying it's right.
The thing I say,
no mind now, one prisoner for us. Which one say it is wrong to cheat?
Don't calm down, calm down.
So this is, now you the planner. Okay, now what would they hear now when this get the IOCs now?
I know, which Nigerian man wey no say to cheat dey wrong?
Everybody know.
For church where they wed every couple. They say for better for worse, say two of una, lie, no this one, no that. Meanwhile, you the high chief bridesmaid already.
You can imagine.
And they swear for immediately for.
You they say the high chief bridesmaid. Do you know how many people they wait even during the wedding? Just that small break after church and where they don't go crank chief bridesmaid before they even come the reception.
See, get one thing where I get to know that thing and make me call the fear women. This thing happen live.
They check what thing they happen for social media.
Woman where they marry on her wedding day, she and her ex-boyfriend get agreement. Say on their wedding, on her own wedding night, say they must crank. The ex, not being they marry the girl, or the girl they marry somebody else. But two of them can't get agreement. Say on your wedding night, say we must crank. And they say that cranking, see, it came to pass. It happened live and direct. So you get some kind woman where you go marry, you go come notice, say, man, not be God give you, now you go pick up by yourself.
No, you see, everybody gets his own nature, how he and that's like most times, you see, even women will get very high libido, then they follow like crank. You understand? So sometimes you go to check your wife. I know girls where if I hear, say, my friend married this girl, I go to fear for my friend because naturally that person like to the crank. You understand? So me, I don't know how people they blame you. Say, you see, and also you need to also you get woman where you go marry. If I know get woman where you go marry, where you no go one crank.
See this faithfulness.
See them.
Showman.
Yeah.
Like me now, I don't talk and say this
you
my bachelor this thing. It go soon end because you get how you go take for bachelor rich.
You don't go waiting.
The day when you marry, wife day house. You constantly go club, dance, you carry girl. They go house. You know, say your mind, you don't get used to that thing. One guy do man, he just carry the baby, as he reach house. Now I can see another slippers in front of house. He say, hey, baby, I'm sorry, I'm married. I don't remember. Please, come and go.
No, I know it happens.
But basically for me, the way why they look at I go put them like this, say, na character, they make person cheat. You will be say, you know, this contented, you know, they satisfied with what you get initially. Now, character, you don't do and come before. Some people, they change sincerely. They go pause, they go leave them like that. But some people, they be say, they don't they used to them. They like them. They like to taste different things. Egusi today, you know, okra tomorrow, that kind of thing.
And it still rub the girls too, because one girl don't still do one too. We say she don't do prostitution for like how many years before she finally see husband. The first day when she and her husband sleep for bed, you know say all those ones them, they wake up quick. Early morning around 5, they don't wake up. Now so the girl wake up, come they tap the man. Joe. I'm going my money. Meanwhile, now her husband do.
I bet we'll do what else. When we come back, we go still continue from there. What else when they come back? Hey, you don't see him. Pot belly.
Thank God,
money.
None of us get pot
No, it's equal to not a sexiness. So when these are young
pot
girls.
Pot belly plus money is equal to sexiness.
Yes, so now what the young girls want be that too?
Please, all these girls them. Not be every man will get big belly get money. Some now people wake up community money where they swear for village. Call Lagos.
In belly can they swell up.
Some now fibroid. If you follow them, one chance. The only advantage.
You know, say when we even talk of this place over the work, you know, say plenty girls they like that our guy with always say PCR. You know, science because you know, if you don't in front of them, they say how.
They go say you hold it.
They go they say wait now they say oh they don't know say they hold people. Meanwhile, but everything we get disadvantage, get advantage.
Of course.
The advantage wey big belle man get be say, if big belle man carry you, you don't have man because you no get wahala. What they do?
You don't sleep.
They don't even fit do anything now. All they want are just to just rub my tummy for me. Rub it. Yeah, this way.
But if you go follow slim guys,
today,
like Ugo.
No, like today. Hey!
If you show man, you know say na wash net you carry.
I know small. I don't know. I'm body.
Man, tell you the truth. Tunde Raji, they fire past me.
Say, I get experience with people where they slim, and I tell you now, fear them. If you want, there are people like us, minus you, maybe me and Shaka, we get small body, you understand? When you go with us, you are sure, you are guaranteed that you will go back home safe.
So what are you saying?
Go back home.
Guys like me and Tunde, what's wrong with us?
I've seen Tunde with a girl. When would they describe the girl? The girl, they call the girl bloody fool.
Hey,
you know why? Because now blood, he just you get this out my womb.
Shakara, one word. We don't get time again.
Okay. People retweet self. Oh God.
Basically,
one word though. Basically.
You know, give one for this.
One word is that please stay faithful once you are married because that's my target.
Well, in one sentence, do everything if you do when you bachelor like me. Once you get married, may not say you need to date faithful because if your wife do it to you. Go pay you.
Yeah, no. Simple.
I beg, whenever you don't marry, stay to them. And there is alone. One channel. Alone.
Why you go call and say, why you not say Wazobia TV alone?
One channel.
Wazobia TV alone. DJ!
Where you going? Oh, yeah, that's it now. Like this. All the girls in the dance, galala. All the students don't cause casala. For this dance, you don't do shakara. Like that. To your hand, to the front, and your back, to the back. All the girls in the dance, galala. All the students don't cause casala. For this dance, you don't do shakara.